Are you looking for the best steam mops? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best steam mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Tineco Floor One S9. The Tineco Floor One S9 Artist Steam Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a premium all-in-one cleaning device designed for hard floors, combining high-temperature steam cleaning with powerful vacuum suction. It features a 380 fire HyperSteam system that maintains a minimum outlet temperature of 200 to effectively dissolve hardened grease and embedded stains, alongside 22 kPa suction for deep cleaning. The 180 lay-flat design allows it to glide under low-clearance furniture, while the dual-block anti-tangle system prevents hair and debris from clogging the brush. Its flash-dry self-cleaning system uses heated water and 185 degrees Celsius hot air to dry internal components, making post-cleaning maintenance easier. The vacuum offers up to 75 minutes of runtime, is battery-powered, and comes with HEPA filtration, cleaning solution, a brush roller, and a drying and charging dock. While excellent for sealed hard surfaces like tiles, hardwood, laminate, and multi-surface floors, it is less suitable for carpets. Users should note the initial steam preparation time of 45 to 60 seconds. Monitor filter and HEPA maintenance monthly, and ensure floors are suitable for high-temperature steam. Although highly effective and feature-rich, it is a premium device with higher cost considerations and may require attention to service availability if purchased in regions like Bangladesh. Number 2, Tineco Floor One S7. The Tineco Floor One S7 Steam Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Mop All-in-One is a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning device that vacuums, mops, and steams hard floors simultaneously, saving time while delivering a deep clean. It features 284-degree HyperSteam technology to dissolve grease and tough stains, a soft roller that gently lifts debris with fresh water, and dual-sided edge cleaning for corners and baseboards. The self-propelled, lightweight, cordless design allows easy maneuverability without fatigue, while the multi-step self-cleaning system uses fresh water and heated steam to clean and dry the brush roller and tubing, preventing recontamination. Equipped with smart sensors, it adjusts cleaning intensity based on floor dirtiness and offers up to 40 minutes runtime in auto mode or 15 to 20 minutes in full steam mode. Suitable for sealed hard floors like tile, laminate, and wood, it is safe for homes with kids and pets. Users should maintain the filter and HEPA monthly for optimal performance. While highly effective, it is not designed for carpet cleaning, and the dirty water tank requires careful handling. Number 3, PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, ThermaPro 211, is a versatile steam cleaning system ideal for a variety of surfaces including sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, carpets with the carpet glider, and upholstery. It heats up in about 30 seconds and uses chemical-free steam to clean effectively, making it safe for homes with children and pets. The mop features a detachable handheld steamer for fabrics, sofas, and drapes, and comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including nylon brushes, angled nozzles, a squeegee, carpet glider, and microfiber pads, allowing it to tackle multiple cleaning tasks. Lightweight and maneuverable, the mop head swivels to reach under furniture, and the handle collapses for easy storage. While reviewers appreciate its multifunctionality and value, some note that cleaning performance on tough stains and tile or stone surfaces may require extra effort compared with premium models. Number 4, Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. The Bissell Power Fresh Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop 1940A is a corded steam cleaner designed for sealed hard floors including tile, sealed hardwood, and laminate, offering chemical-free cleaning that eliminates up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It features a flip-down easy scrubber for tackling tough, sticky messes, 3 selectable steam levels via SmartSet digital steam control, and heats up in just 30 seconds. The mop offers swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord for extended reach and easy maneuverability around furniture and corners. It includes a microfiber soft pad, microfiber scrubby pad, carpet glider, and fragrance discs for added convenience. Reviewers praise its effective cleaning performance and ease of use while noting that it may be less effective on large pools of liquid and lacks a resting tray for the hot mop head post-use. Overall, it is a reliable choice for regular maintenance and sanitizing of hard floors, particularly in homes with children or pets. Number 5. Schenley 19-in-1 Steam Mop. The Schenley 19-in-1 Steam Mop Dual rod design is a versatile multi-surface cleaning system suitable for sealed hardwood, laminate floors, tiles, grout, windows, and even upholstery. It features a detachable handheld steamer, rapid heating up to 248 degrees in 15 seconds, and 3 steam modes to tackle everything from quick maintenance to tough, sticky messes. The mop comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including extension rods, jet nozzle, squeegee, various brushes, washable microfiber pads, and disposable pads, allowing for thorough cleaning across multiple surfaces. Its chemical-free steam technology makes it safe for children and pets, while the lightweight design and 180-degree swivel head enhance maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. With up to 25 minutes of continuous runtime, it is suitable for standard household cleaning tasks, though larger areas may require refilling, and some users note that certain accessories may wear out over time.